I'm making Aviyal. So this is the white pumpkin, and this is the regular orange pumpkin. I'm just going to use these two vegetables today. So we have to remove this skin, the hard skin, and then slice it lengthwise. Like, should be like this thickness. Same way you can slice this orange pumpkin as well and remove the seeds and the hard skin. I'm going to use less of this and more of the white pumpkin. See, I'm going to use this one bowl of this white pumpkin and just 1/4 of the orange pumpkin, and let's wash them. Now I'm going to add the white pumpkin and add very little water and boil it. I'm going to add very little water. I'm going to add turmeric powder and salt, and let's cover it and cook it. Now I'm going to make the coconut paste for the Aviyal. So I'm going to use this frozen coconut and I'm going to thaw it. I'm using this much. And I'm adding green chilies, and let's make a smooth paste. So this is half cooked, and now I'm going to add the orange pumpkin. So this is This is cooked and it should be mildly crunchy, not too soft. And now I'm adding the paste. And we just have to bring it to a boil. So that's it. Now I'm going to turn it off. Just we need to bring it to one boil. And just before serving, add yogurt that is not too much sour, and you can mix it. And you can have it with hot rice.